He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, you see, we got our little London Sunshine 13-inch Kamado out today, and we're going to do some chicken wings. Now, with the 13-inch diameter inside of the little Kamado Joe, you can only get a few chicken wings in there, or a few of anything that you're cooking in there, whether it be jalapeno poppers or what have you. So I've been searching and scouring Amazon for different racks and different devices that could possibly be used inside the little 13-inch Kamado to kind of increase your cooking capacity. Okay, and so we're going to be testing out this. I found this today. Now this is a skewer rack for a 6-quart pressure cooker made by Goldlion. This costs about $18, and it's a skewer rack. So you see, it has these little skewers on it that you can skewer through your food, and it can stand vertically, and that way that may increase the capacity of what you can put inside of a 6-quart pressure cooker or inside of this Kamado Joe. It wasn't made for the little Kamado Joe, but I'm going to try to make it work. Okay, so and what's cool about this, you can use these little skewers, not skewers, or the holes in the little bottom of here are big enough for you to be able to use a bamboo skewer in if these are not to what you need. Okay, so enough talking. Let's go ahead and get the chicken wings skewered and put on here. We're going to be using bamboo skewers today because these skewers have a little lid on the top of them. And so I don't want to be using those. So we're going to use bamboo skewers in here. We're going to trim them off. And the only thing you got to be careful of is that the um, temperature gauge in the top of the London Shine Kamado Joe, like I said, sticks out about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So it'll hit one of these skewers. So I'll probably remove one of the skewers from the outside diameter. So we're gonna see if we can get 8 to 10 wings. I think I got about 8 to 10 wings thawed out. So I'm gonna see how many I can get on here. We're gonna cut the tips off. We're gonna season them with a little SPG. We're using royal oak charcoal in here today, and we'll throw a little wood chunk up in here, and we'll see exactly what we get. So hey, hang around and don't go nowhere. Let's get this bad boy on the baby Kamado. All right, guys. So we're gonna remove the skewers that we're not going to be using from the rack and put it on the side. And I was able to work with the chicken wings and get them skewered with the skewers that came with the rack. So as you can see, I skewered them through the flats, and we're going to stand these up vertically with the drumette portion of the wing sticking inside. So like so. So I think you probably can get roughly 8 to 10 wings on here, which is good for one person. Because like I said before, these little Kamados are good for 1 or 2 people as far as cooking goes. Okay. And I know wings aren't really supposed to touch, but I don't know if we're going to have a choice here. So we have 7 wings on here. This is the seventh wing. And we're going to leave this one off because this is where the London Sunshine's temperature gauge sticks out, so it'll fit right in here. And I may cut that off. I've been looking for a temperature gauge that has a shorter stem. But we have 7 wings on here, and it's probably about the max you could put on here. Maybe 8 with the inside, but 7 wings is plenty for one person. All right, let's get these bad boys on the baby Kamado. All right, guys, so our temperature gauge is up at 250 degrees, and I'll continue to monitor the temperature to try to get it between 275 and 300. We're going to go ahead and get our wings on here. As you can see, we have our deflector plate there. Get our chicken wings on here. Make sure that the opening here is right here to where the temperature gauge can fit right in the middle. And let's see if we can get this closed. All right. We'll come back and check in about 45 minutes. Okay, guys, so it's been 45 minutes now. And as you can see, our temperature on this gauge is about 300 degrees, which means that grade level is probably around 225. But let's go ahead and see what our wings look like after 45 minutes. Ooh, man, that looks good. Let me give you a close-up look at these. Yeah, those look pretty good. Let's go ahead and get some temperatures. Ooh, 209. Let's check this one. 184. 185. All right, so these bad boys are really ready to come off. All right, let's get them off. All right, guys, so we're finished with our cook, man, and I gotta say that the little baby Kamado did a great job. These smell fantastic. You know, I just got simple SPG on these. I was able to cook 7, but I probably could have got probably 8 to 10 on this little rack here, depending on how I configured it and how big the wings are. So we're going to go ahead and keep using this rack for other cooks and things. I think this is a great find. So, you know, there's not a lot of accessories out there for the little baby Kamados. So I'll keep searching out there, and I'll put in the description block everything that we used. We got, like I said, this little vertical rack here. We also had the little rack that was kind of concave to kind of drop down into the firebox a little bit to give you a little bit more room at the top. And then plus we used a small pizza stone as a diffuser or a deflector plate, okay? I did order a stainless steel 8-inch plate to use as a future deflector plate so that it won't be so thick like the pizza deflector is. So, but let's go ahead and taste these bad boys and see how they came out. They temped it over 180 degrees, so these are good to go. And let's see what we got. Wow, these are fantastic, guys. They taste fantastic. Nice smoky flavor. The Royal Oak Charcoal did a fantastic job on these, man. And like I said, we still up at 300 degrees. I could put some more on here if I wanted to. Have a second rack, can cook some more in 45 minutes. We're going to use this next time to try some jalapeno poppers, some bacon wrapped smoked sausage and meatballs and all type of stuff to cook in our little baby Kamado. Okay, so definitely if you're interested in cooking more than 2 or 3 wings on this bad boy by just laying them on the grate, this vertical rack will definitely do the job. Okay, Well, that's all I have time for. Hey, if you're interested in getting one of these little baby Kamados from London Sunshine, these little 13-inch Kamados, check out in the description block below. We have an affiliate link in there. It'll get you, I think, 10 or 15% off. I can't remember. Plus, it gives a little kickback to the channel to help us out for future videos. Okay. And like I said, I'll list all the equipment that I used in this video in the description block if you want to go to Amazon and pick up this little vertical rack. Okay. Well, that's it. So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Definitely enough wings for at least one person. See you guys in the next video.